severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 1:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 12:51 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Freeman, or 22 miles west of Casa Grande, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeman and Stanfield. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 8 between mile markers 142 and 163. Arizona Route 347 between mile markers 161 and 166. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal.
That corridor, there's actually 3 schools that are on Fifth Street there in East Wenatchee. And sidewalks has been a big passion of mine and our council, of making sure, especially around schools, that we have adequate ADA accessible crosswalks. And
Law Enforcement Action 2400, block of Monroe Avenue, Bridgeport, Washington. Avoid the area or shelter in place. Monitor Douglas County Facebook for further details.
And we also have been able to work with
life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hilldale. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, Utah.
One that was supposed to be Russian disinformation.
I put customers in the front door. I'd like to be able to do the same for you. If you're interested, contact Alpha Media. That's Alpha Media. And talk to my friend Jeff Moyer.
When COVID-19 hit, I lost my housing and didn't know what to do. Without help from VA, I might be homeless.
Many veterans are facing financial hardship caused by COVID-19, putting them at risk of losing their housing. But VA has resources that can help. VA Supportive Services for Veteran Families program provides eligible veterans who are homeless or
Law Enforcement Action 2400, block of Monroe Avenue, Bridgeport, Washington. All clear. Alert is lifted. Monitor Douglas County Facebook for further details.
AID VET. That's 877, the number 4, AID VET.